All right, well, boom, baby. Today we are back and we are working on Frankie. And Frankie has a little bit of a leak on the diff. So we're going to take that diff plate off, put a new seal, put a new fluid in there. Should be easy. We tried to do this before though, and the one of the bolts was just giving us a really hard time. So I'm really hoping we can sort that out. That's going to be our only, well, hopefully, our only hiccup. Now, luckily, we already got the seal, so this part should make it easy. Hopefully, I got the right one. That looks right. We'll go size it up just in case. There you go. Little seal action. Oh, what's this? Did I get some stickers too? Something's in there. Oh, just a thank you. Thank you. I don't want your thank you. I want your stickers. No, that's cool. Yeah. So there we go. You need the part. There you go. There's the part number there. Let's make sure it's correct. Yeah, it looks pretty spot on to me. Cool. Yeah, that's it. Let's see. Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Okay, that's good. I don't remember which one it was. So far, so good. Nice, there we go. Well, that was fun. Somebody glued the heck out of it getting it on there. But, looks good. That's a relief. Let's clean up this cover, reseal it. Oh man, can you smell that? Can you smell it through the screen? Nothing like gear oil, I'm telling you. Let's see. I want to clean this cover up. Maybe even spray a coat of that green spray paint on it. Just get it nice and clean. We'll clean up the surface. We should be in a really good spot after that. And I've got the Lucas oil, baby. Machine, you're supposed to use the gasket and RTV, which of course we have RTV. So let's start putting that on. Boom, baby. happy with how this turned out. I mean, I love this green with the black bolts. I mean, that looks killer. So, yeah, I think we should be good there. Now, luckily, this was a job I was already planning for a while ago. So, got the gear oil here, this Lucas stuff. So, we're going to fill her up, and we should be pretty solid. Well, boom, baby. It's always nice when something actually goes smooth, and we're good. So we're gonna let it dry, but that's about it. So awesome. Hopefully no more leaks, and we got some good Lucas. I mean, this Lucas stuff is always awesome. So we got some good Lucas in there now, and we should be in really good shape. Boom, baby. Thank you for watching.